I want to see a friend of Evangelist Emmanuel Addai. Me my friend kwa there. Ke come home sem. Sabi adwuma me yesin na mitwa. Me ka se kwa de me ye mensa. Me ma ho de ne mensa ene ma no. What you say? We on say us Illuminati. We say us Illuminati say me nya dan. Na say munfo no mon kasa de bi o me Illuminati. Addai. Se o pese o no mo twimi na nya me pagya wa fa ho be twimi. Because me Nyankopon bless, but not in a negative way. What's the way in Illuminati? Kumawood Illuminati. Bediide onkwa Addai. No abushia man ka ope. E nyame na hira me. Me nko oboso so da me nko ba bia da me die ni asafo Awurade. Me fan gina me hira mo ignore that man me who say here mental, you know, here divine healing. Are you understand what I'm saying? Me better Nyankopon na me say na ju a wada ohwan kom na me hia de. All my fans, me sem bebre, me dom bebre. Muni ho me ni ho. Eye mo mpa bo no mo nkran say mo bedu pepe so am bedru. I love you so much. You can ask any questions. I love you. But kwa there, I don't think it's making sense. See social media, me demonic. Atare bia me say twesi ni bia na ring bia me say bia no. See for the money. Say me okote kuma me share ring. Me yo hina me share ring. Yes, can you share ring? Addai dey na je free me ho. And Illuminati me can ni. We will not come interest in you. But Bible say Berma also some fifre na wudi. Na obedi di me din ho a wudi di me negative way. So also Nyankopon say me Illuminati a. Me so ka say Nyankopon me so boss so ni asase. Abraham Jacob na zik Nyankopon no. Onim wo be di me no ntemasem. Ni jawo manyame. Mimi manu ka se mi anchiro and all the ring I betu me nsaso me actor Addai me actor Lewe actor Vivian my brain na actor and actresses. Why? And out to YouTube now what can some find out di way from today unto ni di wo mu because the judgment of God is coming between me no. I mean nyarko me fans me don bebre I feel metitin sem bebre you know but ignore them because if we are bia o mama bia ne ho ahi. Say Nyankopon say you say nipa kafa ho ntuma go kura no eye obi ahi. It's and I came to tell you say if you can't beat it join it. Abua that top play to custom. Asomo kan say ma ho odin we nyina chi na Awurade wo ho na me gi ma ho odin free. In spite of my strength no you are the source of my power. And I don't depend on that me shia de say be me nyan some aka me fans atina ebi be shon ko na bi atu e de aye futuo. So na ebi na aka me ho asem a atemuo enye oreto ekura Awurade. One of these days you know Onyankopon atemuo e ba me ni obi a wonam gu me nimase ye ntem na enye papa. Me die ni Kristo me die na sefo Awurade. The Bible say e shano ni pa Israel Onyankopon ye na boafo. Me ni a wo hwe me die ni pa kan say ebi afo ho. Don't react, don't say anything, don't insult them. Catch on me say me jame nyame. There are two job in the so what can say me dima for tears. All my fans, I love you so much. And I came to encourage you and tell you, say, you shall not die. Don't die. Because tomorrow by this time, you'll be vindicated. I love you so much. God bless you. I salute you. Bishop so. Stay blessed.